This video will explain how to create a cover letter using transferable skills from your tutor position to your cover letter. The best place to start is by reviewing our cover letter writing module on our website, uri.edu/career. Select Modules and scroll down to reach the cover letter writing module. This is a self-paced module created in Google Slides to teach you the skill of creating an effective cover letter. A cover letter is a professional business letter introducing yourself to the employer, explaining what you know about the position and company, and why you want to intern or work for them, and also reiterating the skills that the employer is seeking in yourself as an applicant. A good cover letter also provides examples of your experience with those specific skills. Also, your cover letter should change for each position that you apply for. The best way to use this module is to start with a blank document in either Google Docs or Word. Create your cover letter as you go, slide by slide, based on what you learn. For this video, I am going to touch on the main areas of a cover letter, and that includes your header, your introduction paragraph, a key information section, and a closing paragraph. Your header should be copied and pasted from your resume. Now, your documents have a cohesive and a branded look to them. Next is your introduction paragraph. This paragraph is meant to assist the hiring manager in determining whether you know what position you are applying for. It also provides you a place to showcase that you know and how you feel about the company that you desire to intern or work at. A good introduction paragraph answers what type of position you are seeking, what qualities that you bring to the job, and how your contributions will benefit the employer. This slide gives a great example of a good introduction paragraph. The few slides before this provide some additional tips and things to avoid. Next is your key information section. This is the heart of your cover letter. It shows the employers the skills that you have and how those skills directly relate to the position that you're applying for. You should plan on spending most of your time on your key information section when creating your cover letter. Remember, this should change for each position that you apply for. Let's visit our website to see a worksheet to help you build out your key information section. From here, visit Students, and then select Career and Internship Advising. From here, you can select your career cluster. If you're not sure which career cluster you belong to, visit our career cluster PDF here at the top. As an HDF major, I'm going to select the Health and Health Administration career cluster page. Each career cluster has resume and cover letter samples that are specific to their populations in each section. I'm going to select the resume and cover letter to see specific examples just for me. Scroll down to the cover letter section and select the cover letter guide quick tip sheet. This is a great table that's listed down here, but I want to be able to use this for myself. So what I've done is I've copied and pasted it and made it into a Google Sheet so I can edit it and add each of the positions I'm applying for. For this example in this video, we'll also need a job description. In Handshake, as a student, I have done a great job of editing my profile and adding my career interests. So when I'm searching for a job, this first position that pops up is suited directly towards what I want to do as an internship or a part-time job within the HDF field. I've created a Google Sheet and I've copied and pasted the responsibilities and duties that are listed here in the job description to something that I can use based on that table that we took a look at here in the worksheet. I've copied over a table for job qualifications and I've listed those right here, specifically right from the job description. And the goal next is for me to take a self-inventory of my experience, my coursework, and my projects, or degree or other credentials that I have that match the skills or responsibilities listed for this job that I'm applying for. So for this first one, I have some experience in assisting individuals in maintaining and improving self-help. I did that through my HDF 205 course, so I'm going to list that here. Supporting individuals to learn or improve their skills, I've done that as a lead tutor. Engaging in activities with individuals to help them live in the community or more independently, I did that through my volunteer work at day one. Submit accurate and completed progress notes. I did that when I was receiving my mental health first aid certification. In completing necessary training, I did that through my mentor tutor position. So now this is going to help me frame out my key information section of my cover letter. Lastly is your closing paragraph. This should thank the employer for their time, touch on following up, and reiterating how the employer can contact you. Whatever you include on your follow-up plan, make sure to follow through. If you say, I will follow up on my application in 2 weeks, make sure to put that as a reminder in your calendar. Review the remaining items here within the cover letter module for help on how to apply, tips and things to think about, references, and other ways to apply. And of course, the review section. Once you've created your cover letter, we are happy to review it with you. Make an appointment with your career education specialist to help you review your cover letter. We are listed here on our website under the People section. And if you're not sure who your career education specialist is, you can find out by major here.